up, guys? Welcome to the channel Bullets Garage. Behind the camera I got my man SAUL, which I'm standing behind his Subaru WRX, almost the STI, right? We're gonna upgrade in a few years to catch up to the GSF. He's gonna make some sick edits today for you guys of the GSF and the WRX. I'm gonna let him drive the GSF, check out the coilovers because he wants to get those for his WRX, and lower this wheel gap a little bit because he's sitting so high I could fist this bad boy. So he's gonna enjoy it, enjoy the clips he's gonna put for you, and we're gonna do some pulls later on.
Oh yeah, dude, coilovers are smooth, like they feel good.
Yeah. And this is a bumpy road too, and they're pretty soft.
Wow.
But like right now you're in normal mode, and it's like once you take off here, just get on it a little bit. You'll see how on normal mode the car feels slow as hell because it always upshifts to the highest gear.
So you're saying take off here?
Yeah, like kind of get on it like you would normally. Floor pedal to the metal. 1, 2, 3. Keep going, keep it going, keep it going. Keep going.
Holy wow.
How's it compared to the WRX?
Dude, WRX, we gotta fix that lag.
The turbo lag?
We gotta fix that turbo lag.
You gotta get a new motor and a new turbo in there.
We gotta get a new car.
So what does it sound like inside, bro?
It's not loud. You can drive like long distance without getting annoyed.
Yeah.
But outside the car, it's a different story though.
Outside it sounds mean and loud.
Yeah, it sounds mean and loud.
Down?
Yeah. Or you guys want to do the beep or what?
Whatever. And then take off.
Move forward a little bit. Right there. Gotta give you a head start.
I have a head start.
Alright. Who's beeping you?
I'll beep, and then I'll just wait till you take off. Ready?
1, 2.
That's how you do that, boys. That's how you roast some tires. Damn, we left some good marks right there. Here, let's do another pull with the Subi, since you're recording inside.
Let me put my seatbelt on.
Oh, I gotta start in second gear because it won't let me start in first. So you got an advantage.
You guys gonna take off again?
Alright.
Hold up. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Second gear. Like all the malfunctions are off because we did all those donuts.
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah. Let me just turn this bitch off. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video and this edit by Saul. Check out his Instagram, Subi Saul, and his girl's YouTube page, Cat Fitness. Subscribe to their channels, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. They got a little bit abused right there.
It's all for YouTube, man.
It's all for YouTube. Gotta get those 1,000 subscribers.
For the views.
Yeah.
I gotta send you the video of you doing a burnout, man. I think it'll go perfect on your if you upload it on your Instagram.
Nice, perfect. That's how you roast tires, kids. With a Lexus that won't really let you.